Hey guys, welcome to Sansee Technologies. In this video I will show you how to hide stories from a specific user. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get every new video updates. So first of all you have to go to profile, then click on at the top right corner you can see three lines, just click on that, then go to settings, then go to privacy, then little bit scroll down, then go to story, and here you can see hide story from. Just click on people and just select the person you hide the story from, and that's it for the video. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.